Tesla began exporting made-in-China Model 3s to Europe in late October. 7,000 electric vehicles produced at Giga Shanghai will be sold in more than 10 European countries, including Germany, Italy, Switzerland, and France. For now, all indications point to the factory continuing to manufacture and deliver the China-made Model 3 Standard Range Plus to the European market. Tasmanian checked the configurator for a number of European countries and found that the weight of the vehicle in all countries except the UK was the same as for the Chinese market. According to the configurator, the made-in-China Model 3 Standard Range Plus, which comes with LFP batteries, weighs 1,745 kilograms. This indicates that the Model 3 SR Plus currently available for order in Europe will be manufactured at